Hey everybody, I'm Tom LeBlanc. I'm the editor of Commercial Integrator. Today I'm lucky to be joined by Alex Camara, CEO of AudioControl. Hi Alex.
Hi Tom, good to be here.
Well, I'm glad you're here because I think this is a good opportunity for folks in the Commercial Integrator audience to learn a little bit more about AudioControl, because you guys have a well-established brand, especially in the residential integration market. And lately, you guys have been kind of increasing your focus on the commercial market. So I was hoping you could, one, give a little bit of an overview of the brand for folks that don't know much about it, and also talk a little bit about your strategies around that commercial market.
Yeah, Tom, I appreciate that. So we've been involved in audio for over 40 years. The mission of the company is making good sound great. Been involved in residential, professional, automotive audio, and we're really one of the first companies to actually develop equalization and DSPs and many different myriads of audio within the industry. For us, our dealers have always been involved in commercial. I mean, although we focused on residential, we operate a lot in boardrooms, restaurants, office buildings, and they've taken our residential products and really done a great job putting them into commercial applications. So we've been asked many times, and now we're taking a direct strategic move into the commercial space. We've gone from sort of over 40 years ago developing sort of audio products that have wooden panels, and as you can see, now the good news is the wooden panels have gone. Okay, we're not doing those anymore. We're now moving strategically into the commercial space with the introduction of a full suite of 70-volt amplifiers. And these are going to be pretty much like nothing else that's on the market today. Full DSP, high power, 750 watts per channel, switchable between 70-volt, 100-volt, 8 ohms. And one of the great things about our company is, we are a made in the USA manufacturer. So everything that we do, from manufacturing to design to engineering, is actually here in Seattle. And therefore, one of the things that literally came out this morning was, and I'm lifting it up here, is the first pre-production models for the new 70-volt range. So these are going to be available later in the year, and really is the strategic push that we're making into the commercial channel space. When we were at Infocom earlier this year, we got a great response from many integrators in the commercial space about the DSP platform, the fact that it's also iPad controllable with an iPad, as well as Android, as well as PC. It's a fully network controllable amplifier. It's something that has everything that we think has been designed in the commercial world. And importantly, we've spoken to over 30 commercial integrators about this product and about our strategic move. So to summarize, we've been asked for many years to make a direct impact and a direct move into commercial, and that time has come.
No, that is a good summary. And I think it's interesting because, you described sort of the technical legacy of product development that you guys have. And that's really important. Another element that I think is really important in the commercial market is support. So they look for, manufacturers that can provide them with support while they're out at, maybe it's a sort of mission critical job site. They look for companies that can provide them with the right kind of training that won't kind of leave them asking questions at the last moment. Maybe you can talk a little bit for those in the audience who aren't as familiar with what you guys do. Talk a little bit about that layer of support that you guys offer to dealers.
That's a great question and a really important one to us that we've focused on for many years. Part of the fact that we're here live in the United States, our manufacturing, our facilities, our warehouses, our production, and our support teams are all here live with our engineering teams. One of the benefits we have is that our support teams are actually literally in the same building as the engineers. They're in the same building as the manufacturing team. So we're able to respond very quickly, both in specification, both in training, both in support, and even to the point where we'll actually fly team members out to certain jobs. One, because it helps the integrator, but two, because we learn from that as well. We see projects live in the field. So support, the maintenance of training, what we do with webinars, we have a knowledge base live online. We have out-of-hours support where a dealer comes to us and has a big project, particularly that needs the security of having somebody behind the scenes who's there available. So it's really important to us. I mean, we have the personal touch. People answer the phone, real people. It's just a very important part of all of the way we do business. And it's another thing that we heard when we worked in the commercial integrated space at Infocom and before, that people really valued that message that we were giving them in that respect.